What foods to eat to lower cholesterol? High cholesterol levels can lead to various health conditions, including coronary heart disease, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and high blood pressure. Heart disease, one of the leading causes of death today, is significantly influenced by your diet. To effectively manage cholesterol levels, you need to add foods that can lower LDL cholesterol, the harmful cholesterol-carrying particle responsible for clogging arteries, and reduce the consumption of foods that boost LDL. Low levels of good HDL cholesterol and high triglycerides can also increase your risk. Foods that lower cholesterol fast. Different kinds of food items reduce cholesterol in various ways by delivering fiber, polyunsaturated fats, etc. Here are 5 top foods that lower cholesterol fast in your body. Try to eat some of these every day, because the more you eat, the more chances of getting rid of that bad cholesterol from your body. 1. Oats. Oats contain soluble fiber, which helps reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. To lower cholesterol immediately with oats, include them in your daily diet. Enjoy a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, or add oats to smoothies and baked goods for a heart-healthy boost. This soluble fiber is referred to as beta-glucan, transforms into a gel that binds to cholesterol and bile in the intestines. This aids in limiting the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed in the blood. The cholesterol is lowered this way as the liver has to take out more cholesterol from the body to make more bile. Having a bowl of oats every day can make a good change in your health. Additionally, oats are whole grains, so they keep you feeling full all day. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a good source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. They can lower the LDL in the body by replacing the meat, which has high LDL, increasing saturated fats and providing LDL-lowering fats. These omega-3 fatty acids reduce the triglycerides in the blood and save the heart from irregular rhythms. Just make sure to cook fish by steaming it instead of frying it in oil to increase the risk of heart disease. 3. Garlic. Garlic has been used for hundreds of years for its medicinal properties in many households. The main compound in garlic, referred to as allicin, can lower blood pressure and lower bad LDL cholesterol. You can get garlic supplements for good results against higher cholesterol levels. Garlic is the best food to lower cholesterol levels. 4. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of many nutrients and monounsaturated fatty acids. Adding them to your daily diet can be highly beneficial for improving LDL cholesterol levels, especially for overweight individuals. You can enjoy avocado as a side dish or add a few slices to salads and sandwiches. 5. Lemon. Lemons are said to be a great source of vitamin C, and drinking lemon juice daily can reduce bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Lemon juice is high in citric acid, which makes it an excellent natural cleanser. How to lower your cholesterol with lemon? Drink some lemon juice with warm water first thing every morning on an empty stomach. To get the maximum benefits from these foods, make sure to limit the saturated and trans fats you eat every day.